Sales have dropped in Q1 across a broad swathe of manufacturing sectors, with a downturn across the United Kingdom, Australia and New Zealand. It's the result that no one wanted to see and suggests that persistent high prices for goods, as well as the high cost of finance, are suppressing buying activity and causing a slowdown to move back up through the supply chain. In the UK, only the beverage sector, health and medical and construction escaped the overall downturn, where sales fell 10% overall. In Australia, again, beverages and construction remained in good health against an average downturn of 12%, and in New Zealand, sales fell by an average of 7%. Overall, this is leaving the manufacturing sector in an uncomfortable place. For months, the very high costs of raw materials have eaten into profits, and now many firms are finding themselves squeezed at both ends, especially those directly exposed to changes in household spending. Only two bright points come out of this quarter's figures. The first is another reduction in global lead times. This is the time goods and raw materials take to arrive once ordered, with the average time now lower than pre-pandemic performance in all regions measured, marking an unofficial exit from the supply chain crisis. The reason those much shorter delivery times are such good news is because the amount of inventory firms will need to buy and hold between those replenishment cycles is much smaller, which basically means the amount of capital required to turn a profit is lower. Lead time performance is an area that was being watched very closely with all the conflict around Red Sea shipping lanes, stoking fears of another crisis. But while delays in this route are certainly still hurting some businesses, overall lead times haven't been affected in the way they had during the supply chain crisis, when delivery times were double and sometimes triple what they are now. The one other bright spot in the data is the degree to which sales innovation has helped firms dodge the downturn. In the same way that your local McDonald's used to take orders in person but now offers a touchscreen experience in stores, traditional B2B firms are also turning to digital channels to reduce costs and find new revenue. In the UK, for example, as many as 68% of small manufacturers are now selling direct to consumer online, while 34% use an online channel for selling business to business. And thanks to the digital equivalent of "would you like fries with that?", they've seen overall sales performance lift by 24% versus those still relying on traditional channels alone.